Hey there, it's Brittany, and I have an unboxing video from a company called PandaHall. They reached out and asked if they could send me some items, and I wanted to do a quick review. Let's see what we got. So the first thing, I chose these guys, don't worry. And this was before I told you that, and I don't know if I've actually told you on camera, but I'm doing a tassel challenge. So I've challenged myself to do 3 pieces with tassels, using at least one piece of tassel, one tassel on each piece. So anyway, these are 20 pieces, and they're a little different. They look like little ladies with dresses on them, but I mean, that's if you have a whole bunch of them, but they're really cute. These could make a really quick earring for somebody. But I think they'll make really cute focals. So we have 20 pieces. I love this navy. We have some white. Each one has a bead cap and a pearl on it. Some turquoise, I love those. I already have an idea for those. We have one yellow. It's a little sunny pale yellow. We have a couple orange. Some neon green, those are cool. We have some lavender. Some regular purple. I know I'm going to make something for my bestie with some of this. And some red. I have an idea for those two. And we have one burgundy and one beige. Very cool. I think, for I'm not a hugest fan of tassels because I don't know what the heck to do with them, but these are actually kind of cute because they already have a bead on there, and you can kind of just go with it. I do have an idea for 2 of those colors already. Okay, so I might do a video just featuring these because that would satisfy my my tassel challenge. Next, I have some silver spacers. I'll leave links to literally everything. Sorry guys, I cut my finger in my last video making a pair of earrings. And these are 100 pieces. Here is the name, but I will of course include all the links below for you. These are cool. I love spacers, you guys know that. This package was supposed to be delivered Friday, and FedEx told me it was delivered, and I was like, no, FedEx, you're lying, because I watched your FedEx truck pass my house and not deliver anything from my window while I was working. And but then they said they had delivered the beads, and it's like, no. So I had to call, and they opened a case, and they finally showed up today. Somebody on the street behind me has the exact same address, but a different, I live on Lane and they live on Drive. So it's ridiculous. I don't know why the post office or the city would do that, but they have gotten packages from FedEx for me before. So we have 50 piece stainless steel spacer beads. Very easy to use up. I would use those quite a bit. We have some 5 piece. These are like little crystal drops. They're very cool. Of course, there's 2 matched ones, which is great for earrings. I think you would get assorted. I can't imagine that every single one of them is going to have these 3 colors in there, but then we have, my birthstone topaz. We have a little red one and a larger blue. So 4 smalls and a big. Those are very pretty. And then we have some, I think these are hematite spacers. So 1 strand, and it doesn't really look like they're on, I lied, they are on the strand. These are all separate beads in that stainless steel finish. So those are going to be wonderful. If you have a strand of gemstones that you really want to focus on, but you don't want it to just be one strand of gemstone necklace, spacer beads are what are going to dress that up for you. And I will do a video using spacers like that. And it's just an easy way to make necklaces too. Those are lovely. And then we have 2 more items. This is a 100-piece. These are Lampwork beads with those large holes. So these are going to be great for working with leather. I don't have the prices, but I will list the links below so you guys can jump over to the prices. These are awesome. There's a ton in here. Great mix. These are a great mix. Ooh, this one's green and turquoise. We have some white. These are great spacers for leather work. I love them. Actually, like, this makes me so happy. They don't look so great inside of this bag, but like once I poured them out and started going through them, this one's blue and green too. This one looks like a planet. You know, I love stuff that looks like planets. Ooh, I love this peach pink. Oh, this one's got purple and blue in it. Oh, this one's just like sparkly. That's cool that you can make a lot of different pieces of jewelry in just this one bag. Those are very neat. I love these. Okay, let me clean these up. So yummy. So yummy. Plus they're bigger, so they can take up a lot of space in your designs. If you're wanting to use like nice gemstones, but you don't want to use a whole strand, if you don't drop your beads everywhere. If you don't want to use a whole strand, it's great when you come in with the glass beads as spacers that are larger. I'll have to find that guy later. He's rogue. He's gone. And then last but not least, I have similar beads, but they came in this case, which first of all, the case is awesome. Okay. There we go. Oh, here's the information. Ooh, I have a lot of these crystal beads, but I haven't been using them lately. And I don't have any like this. Like, these are really nice quality with the rivet in the middle, not the rivet, eyelet in the middle, so it makes a large hole. I have the smaller hole ones. And then it came with some charms too. So you can use snake chain, like the Pandora style bracelets, if you'd like. So it came with two, it came with two butterflies, came with some made with love charms, and some stars. So, and you can always separate those out if you want to use those separately from the bails, which I would probably do. So those little butterflies would make cute little earrings. And then we're going to go through these. Wow, that is a bag full of happiness and sparklies. So I can already tell my favorites are these with the Aurora Borealis finish on them. Oh my gosh, I guess we just went into like a trance looking at them. Now, some of them, they're not perfect. This one is a little squished. He's not 100% the same size as the others. So keep that in mind, but look how sparkly he is anyway. See, they are handmade, even though they're coming from China, but they're still handmade. And then you might have to sand some, like this one. If I wanted to use it, I would definitely sand it. So there are some imperfections, but they're so gorgeous. Oh, if you use these as spacer beads. Ooh, look at the peach ones. I don't think I have any this color. Lovely. All right, so I will be doing some tutorials. I blanked for a second, using some of the items you've seen today. Let me know if there's something you'd like to see me make them with them, but I will be making them soon. And thanks for watching. Check out the links below. Everything that I showed you just now is linked. I think these are my favorite, and these are my favorite out of what I showed you today. But we will see what I can come up with. Everything is so practical, especially like spacer beads. Always going to use those. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out PandaHall, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.